Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you how to succeed in life. This is going to be some real motivation that you can use, and I'll be telling you some action steps, some things that you can do to succeed in all areas of life. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. The first thing that you have to keep in mind is that you're going to have to work really hard. Now, I know that you've probably been told this before, but I don't think that you know how hard you are actually going to have to work. So many people think that they're going to have to work really hard. If the average person works 8 hours a day, they think that they're going to have to work 10 hours a day. Way more than that. There are days that I've worked 20 plus hours in a single day. There are days that I've worked over 24 hours straight. I don't do that every day, but you're gonna have to work way harder than you ever thought you could have worked, okay, if you want to succeed in life. And that goes with everything. If you want to succeed financially, you're gonna have to work on your business or work for your salary or whatever the case is, work really hard. If you want to succeed with your relationship, you're gonna have to work extremely hard to succeed at that relationship. Work is one of the primary reasons why people succeed, hard work for that matter. Now, the next thing that you have to keep in mind is that you have to work really smart. If you want to succeed in life, you can work really hard, but if you're not putting your smarts to good use, then that hard work is just going to keep on grinding away. It's not going to allow you to grow, it's not going to allow you to scale, and it's not going to allow you to leverage. So with that being said, you have to work hard and work smart. I've met so many people that work smart, but they're only working 2 hours a day, so they don't end up being extremely successful at whatever it is. I've also met people that work really hard, but they're not working smart. So they're working 14 hours a day, but they're not really using their smarts. If you want to succeed in life, you have to use both of them together. You can't just work hard and not work smart, and you can't just work smart and not work hard. It just doesn't work like that. You have to work smart and hard if you want to truly be successful at absolutely anything in life. It comes down to that. It's as simple as that. The next thing that you have to keep in mind for being successful in life is to have an increasing value of your time. You have to know what your time is worth, and it has to increase. Now, when you're young and when you don't know so much, and when you're first just gaining experience in the workplace, maybe your time is worth $10 an hour. That's what you feel like your time is worth. But as you gain knowledge and as you gain experience and as you learn to work faster and so forth, maybe your time is worth $20 an hour. And as you get higher and higher up that ladder, you're gonna really increase the value of your time. When I was younger, my time was worth like $5 an hour. That's what I would work for happily. Now, if you wanna get me out of bed in terms of like, if you wanna get me to go to work and do something, personally, like, it's much more than that. We're talking about hundreds of dollars for an hour's worth of my time. Like, if I'm relaxing at home with my family and you want to take away that personal time from my family and you want me to go and do some work, then it needs to be hundreds of dollars for an hour. That's the only way that you're going to get me there. It's as simple as that. So increase the value of your time over time. Okay? The next thing is leverage what you've done. That's how you scale. That's how I've grown this YouTube channel. You leverage what you've done. When I first started out, I had a handful of videos. As I gained more videos, I leveraged the power of those subscribers and those old videos to grow the channel, to scale the channel up. Leverage is one of the key factors right now. Like, for instance, leveraged income is a key idea. It's sort of like passive income, but it's when it's not 100% passive, you're just leveraging what you've done in the past to build your future. Leverage whatever it is that you've done. Whether you want to succeed financially, in relationships, with fitness, with health. Like, take fitness, for instance. If I was doing bicep curls and I started by curling 20 pounds and I was curling these 20-pound dumbbells and I didn't move up to 25, 30, 40, 50, 60-pound dumbbells, I wouldn't be leveraging my newly gained muscle to increase the weight, right? And then that would lead me to not fully succeeding with regards to my bicep strength. The next thing is to appreciate yourself. If you want to succeed in life, you got to appreciate yourself. It's as simple as that. You have to be appreciative of the things that you've done. You have to be appreciative of whatever it is that you have to offer. We all have different talents and different skills. You got to appreciate yourself and everything that you bring into this world. The next thing is to figure out what you want in life. If you don't have goals, if you don't have direction, you're just going to be aimlessly working, aimlessly trying to do things. That is not a good place to be. Trust me, we've pretty much all been there at some point in our lives. You got to figure out what you want in life if you want to succeed in life. Figure out what your goals are. Figure out what work is required to reach those goals in the timeline that you want, and then do the work that's required. And that's how to succeed in life. Figure out what your goals are, figure out what work is required, and do that work. That's how to succeed. It's like literally as simple as that. Last but not least, you have to remember that you are the most important person to you. And that is, it has to be taken with a grain of salt, because your family is probably going to be the most important people to you, and they are to me as well. But I need you to understand the value of just thinking this one thing for a moment, because even though my family are the most important people to me, I know that if I'm not in good condition, I can't do anything for them. If I am, if I am unable to move, if I'm super overweight, I'm stuck in bed, or I'm so tired, I have no energy, I can't do anything for the most important people. So I need to make sure that I look after myself so that I can actually help the most important people to me, which are my family members. So with that being said, I'm the most important person to me, but only because I can use that to help the people that I love the most. So you got to take that last one with a grain of salt. And that's basically it. In this video, I've gone over how to succeed in life. I've given you some real motivation that you can use to succeed in your life. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.